Hi guys! This is the part 2 of our Manila Ocean Park date. Let's go to our next attraction. So we decided to go back to our hotel room first to freshen up a bit and take some pictures. Afterwards, bumaba na rin kami agad for the most entertaining part of all. Nakahanap rin naman kami agad ng upuan. Sobrang daming tao at sobrang daming estudyante during that time, pero kahit mainit, lahat kami super excited. At nagsimula na nga ang All-Star Bird Show. Unang-una na dyan ang famous kakatu na si Buddy. Wow, good job buddy. Sobrang sarap mo iuwi. At sinundan naman agad dyan ang dalawang talented na Macau na si Sassy at Rocky.
Sassy! Sassy! Rocky! Rocky! Alright, so number 3. Ready, set, go! Here comes Sassy for the ball.
Grabe, sobrang saya ng mga estudyante habang nanonood. Ang ingay! At syempre hindi rin nagpahuli ang iconic Philippine Eagles. Isama mo pa itong mga nakakatuwang pigeons. At natapos na nga, wala akong masabi kundi amazing, amazing, amazing. At eto na nga ang dalawang ultimate stars, ang dalawang sea lions na si Sandra at Isis.
Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. 8, 4, 5. Careful ladies, almost there. Careful.
Grabe, sobrang laki ng ngiti namin habang pinapanood tong dalawang to. My favorite part.
And move it. Clap your hands everybody, come on. And now, show them the side by your hand. What a beautiful twisting, Sandra. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. Arriba! And for the finale. Say it, let's go! Viva! A little applause for Milan Friends and the Raiders as well. For the great dance.
Thank you Sandra and Isis for unforgettable experience. Sobrang happy ng inner child ko.
Isis and
Diretso naman kami agad sa aming next and last attraction, World of the Creepy Crawlies. So dito naman, I was so amazed by different species like iguanas, different lizards, meron ding frogs, different types of insects. Syempre, andyan yung spiders. At syempre, hindi mawawala sa listahan ng mga ahas na ito.
Hello, best friend.
Nagpa-picture pa talaga yan siya. At natapos na rin ang aming pag-iikot, kaya naman bumalik na rin kami agad sa aming room para magpahinga. By the way guys, sa last part ng aming Manila Ocean Park date, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung anong ginawa namin during that night. We did not waste any time. So stay tuned!